Alright, so I thought that I might just create a video here to help out with some of you guys that are trying to get the Mobula7 firmware updated. Um, anyways, let's get started here. So first step, what I would do is connect to the flight controller here and make sure you save your dump by typing dump and then hit enter. And then you want to go ahead and highlight all this. All the way up to where it says, well, beta flight. You want to hold Control C, or you can do a right click and copy. And then from there, I've already got a bunch of dumps in here. And what you want to do is go ahead and just paste it. As you can see here, I've already done that. And you want to go File, Save. And then once you save it, you can go ahead and close it. And close this all down. Alright, so now on to the next step here. Since we're already on the command line here, what we want to do is type in B and L. And then hit enter. And essentially what that does is it forces the flight controller to go into DFU mode. And then from there, what you want to do is you want to get Impulse RC here, a driver fixer. And what this does is it'll actually go in and install drivers for the DFU. You see now it says COM1, right? Make sure this says successful. And then once that's successful, you can go ahead and close down beta flight. And if you come back in, it'll actually say DFU mode now. You see it? It will not flash unless if you can get it into DFU mode. That's the same thing as holding down the boot button. It's just easier if you don't want to take apart your quadcopter to get to the boot button here. Alright, and then from here, I have release and release candidate set. You want to go ahead and go in, select Crazybee F3. You have the different receivers here. You have Fly Sky, FR Sky, that's what I have here. And then I'm guessing that's the whatever that other one is, the 3.3 volt receiver, one that I don't use. Anyways, once you have that selected, you want to select the firmware. You can see this one's already been downloaded. It's in bold, so I've already done this once before. You want to click on Load Firmware Online. And this here you want to make sure you have no reboot sequence, full chip erase, and manual baud rate set. And then from there you can just go ahead and hit Flash Firmware. And it should start flashing.